What's up guys, welcome back to Financial Hawks. In today's video, we'll be going over 5 ways you can make money as a teenager. Let's go ahead and get into it. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected on this financial journey. Making money online as a teenager has gotten a lot easier thanks to the good old internet, social media, and the many digital tools that are available for free that you can pick up and start learning today. Now, let's go ahead and go over 5 ways you can make money as a teenager online. Number 1, freelance. You can use sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or any other gig site that allows you to do small tasks to then get money. You can also talk with your friends and family on online tasks that you can also help out with, like video editing, taking pictures, data sheets, whatever you're good at, and creating your own gig work that works that way too. You can even go further by creating an Instagram, Twitter, Facebook group dedicated to your online services and start getting new clientele to do small online tasks for in the comfort of your home. Number 2, play in online gaming tournaments. If you're a gamer, this is perfect for you. With the whole situation going on with the world right now, everything is pretty much online, including tournaments. You can search tournaments in your area or for a particular game and enter those to try and get money. And on top of that, there's plenty of places like game.tv that are hosting hundreds, if not thousands, of tournaments weekly. Tournaments on game.tv usually last about 30 minutes, up to an hour, and the prize pools on those can definitely range from like $5 to $20. But if you're playing in multiple ones, this can definitely add up quickly for a nice sum of money or gift cards at the end of each month. And again, you're able to game at home like you're already doing, plus making additional cash. So that's a win-win situation. Number 3, become a social media influencer. You can start building your social media presence like Addison Rae or Dixie D'Amelio on TikTok or on any other social platform. And from there, you can make money through ads, brand deals, etc., etc. This one will take some time though, unless you have a killer personality. But hey, if you're a teen and you start getting on this now and start building this for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, by the time you're in your 20s, you'll definitely have a good sized following, and I'm sure by then have a good chunk of change that you wouldn't have otherwise, and for more years to come. Number 4, going along with the previous number, becoming a YouTuber. You can create videos on your favorite hobbies and then make money through AdSense or digital products in that niche. Since you're watching this on YouTube, you're probably already thought about creating a YouTube channel. Well, if you do start now, you'll be ahead of the curve compared to your other classmates, and also one step closer to becoming a full-time YouTuber versus somewhere else working for somebody once you get older. I do have a 30 days to YouTube channel course in the description box, so if you're 18 or 19 and you're watching this and you do have the extra funds, you should definitely check that out as well. So you can create a channel with a great foundation that will also be set up to make money. Number 5, do online tutoring for your friends. If you're good at math or any subject, this can be perfect for you. You can tutor your friends or acquaintances on Zoom for like $5 for like every 30 minutes or an hour. The more people you teach, the more money you make. And since it's tutoring, you should be able to tutor these same people over and over again. Again, getting that recurring revenue. Or you can teach a hobby that you're good at, like maybe playing the guitar or how to get good at COD. The only limitation here is your imagination. So yeah, that's 5 ways you can make money online as a teenager today. I try to cover a plethora of fields, so regardless of your skill level, hopefully there's something there that you can go ahead and start making money if you're a teen. If you have some other cool ways to make money online, definitely let me know in the comments section. I'm sure myself and many of the other teenagers who are looking at this video right now will definitely be happy to learn even more ways they can make money. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and good luck on making some money before Christmas. Peace.